How to reset the password of your NAB Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your NAB Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the NAB app on your mobile device and simply tap on the option login. Now once you've done that, you'll have to first of all enter your NAB ID. Now if you know your ID, you can simply enter it, and then on the password page, simply tap on the option forgot password. After you've done that, simply enter your NAB ID once again, then tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to verify your identity to prove that it's actually you who is trying to reset the password. So you can choose one of these different options right over here. You can ask them to send an SMS code to your phone number. You can ask them to email you a code. You can answer your security question, or you can also fill out details such as your NAB ID and account details. Now, whichever one you choose, once you've verified that it's actually you who is trying to reset the password, you will be taken to the create new password page where you will be able to set a new password for your account. Now, once you've done so, you'll have to basically confirm it again in the box below, and once you tap on the option continue, you will have successfully reset the password of your NAB Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.